Is there no location tab in Properties in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to recover it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. When you right-click on folders that support being moved on your Windows computer in the Folder Properties box, you will see the Location tab. But if, for some reason, the Location tab in Properties is missing, we will show you how to add it back. Let's get started. No Location tab in Properties in Windows 11. If you try to open the folder via Libraries or Quick Access, the Locations tab may not show. So open your user folder and then right-click on the folder in question. Open its properties and check if you can see the Location tab or not. Also, temporarily disable the UAC and then open the folder properties and see if you can see the Location tab and the Move button or not. If you see it, make the desired changes and remember to activate UAC again after your work is done. If you still do not see the Location tab, then read on. If the Location tab is missing or not showing and the Move button is missing in Folder Properties in Windows 11 or 10, then you need to edit the registry as follows. Before you begin, you should back up your registry or create a system restore point first. Open the Windows registry and navigate to the following key. Here, right-click on PropertySheetHandlers and select New, then Key. A new key will be created. Rename it as. If you wish, you can download and apply this ready-to-use file. Download it from our servers, extract its contents, and double-click on the .rec file. Restart your computer and see now. You will see that the Location tab in Properties. You will see the Location tab in your personal folders like Documents, Music, Videos, etc. But the Location tab will be available in the Properties box for folders that can be moved by the Windows OS. Several folders, for instance, the user folder does not support being moved and hence you may not see the tab on their properties. If this doesn't help, you can try to fix a corrupt user profile or create a new user account. How do I change the folder location using Properties? You can move user files, data, or profile to another drive in Windows following this method. Select a drive, create a new folder under it. Go to this PC, local disk, user, then username. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Switch to the Location tab. Hit the Move button. Select the newly created folder under the target drive. Hit Yes and wait for the files to be moved. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.